Okay, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Island Inflatable Removable Dinghy Dolly wheels. Okay, these are the tools you'll need. You'll need a drill, small drill bit, Phillips head drill bit, pen, some Sikaflex silicone and 8 fastening screws. I'm using 10 gauge 1 inch for an inflatable boat. If it's a tinny or polycraft, you're going to be using different fasteners. Okay. What you want to do is get this bracket. The way I like to line it up on an Island Inflatable is push it as hard as you can against this fixture here, and then have these holes maybe about ½ centimetre down from this stripe, equal on both sides. I've already pre-marked these before doing the video, there and there, so I've done it on both sides. Next step, a small drill, just a little pilot hole, drill in about 1 inch. Not all the way through. Next, take the Phillips head bit. I just like to run the screw in before I actually put the bracket on, just makes it a little bit easier. When you've done all 4 for the bracket, you know the screw is going to go in. Use some silicone to stop the transom from rotting. Always use Sikaflex, it's the only stuff to use. Squeeze it on here. Don't need too much, just enough to seal it up when you put the screw in. Okay, make sure it's over the hole completely. Next thing you do, take the bracket. You'll see it says this side up, obviously arrow goes upwards. Just a little loose. And that's one bracket fitted. You just repeat it for the other side. The good thing about these Dinghy Dolly wheels are that these are the best wheels on the market and most convenient for inflatable boats. But prior to this bracket, they were always attached to the boat and you weren't able at the end of the day to roll the boat up and get it back into its carry bag. Now with this convenient bracket, just pop it in. Keep the wheels on all day if you want. And at the end of the day, press the little trigger, drop it down, and then the boat's going to roll up. Just repeat the same procedure for the other side. Thanks.